my name is Maryanne. I'm gonna be taking you through a tour of Tech Kidz Africa. Follow me. So guys, this is the green area. This is where you have nice meals. You can also have meetings. It's just a very nice place to sit and think for outdoorsy people because, you know, very fresh air circulating. Yeah, come on, let's go. This is Close the Gap Front Office. They offer mentorship for businesses. They also offer meeting spaces and co-working spaces. They have services for refurbished computers and welcome at any time. This is the Maggie tent. Close the Gap uses this space for conferences, meetings, trainings and seminars. Feel free to book a slot to use this space. This is the Close the Gap refurbishing shop. You can find any computer of your choice at very affordable prices. They also have offers and they also offer bags to carry your laptops and screens. Come on. Any day from Monday to Friday as from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Also reach out to us from our social media platforms at Tech Kidz Africa. Visit our website techkidsafrica.co.ke. Thank you.